Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to invoke Salesforce omni-channel flow for voice call routing. First I created an omni-channel flow. Here I am using route work flow element. I declared a variable with the name record ID. This should be set as input variable. Service channel I have set it to phone. I wanted to route it to a queue, and then I selected a queue with the name SCV basic queue. So whenever I invoke this flow from Salesforce for Salesforce voice call routing from Amazon Connect, this will return QARN value to Amazon Connect so that it can be routed to this particular SCV basic queue in Salesforce. Let's look at the Amazon Connect inbound flow. Whenever I call to the number, it will come to this inbound flow. I have set the logging behavior as enabled. I am playing a prompt saying welcome to phone support. I am invoking invoke telephony integration API function lambda. Here I am creating a voice call by passing destination key as method name and value as create voice call. So this will create a voice call record in Salesforce. Next I am using the same lambda function invoke telephony integration API function, where I am using method name as execute omni flow, flow dev name as voice underscore call underscore omni underscore routing. This is the API name of the flow in my org. Next, flow input hyphen record ID, I am passing external dot voice call ID. So this will pass the previously created voice call record ID to the omni-channel flow. So it will invoke the flow, it will pass the record ID, and then this particular omni-channel flow will return QARN value to Amazon Connect. I am getting an input from the user. If they press 1, it will go and do this set contract attributes. If they press 2, I am ending the call. Here using set contact attributes, I'm declaring a user defined variable with the name QARN. I am setting the value dynamically, external and Q. So this will be the QARN from the Salesforce omni-channel flow. In the Salesforce omni-channel flow, if you are trying to route it to the agent directly, then instead of Q, it will return user ARN. Instead of Q here as the key, you have to use user. Here I am using set working queue, and then I am passing the URN Q ARN value that is passed from the omni-channel flow. And then I am using transfer to queue so that it will transfer the voice call to the QARN value that was returned from this omni-channel flow. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.